No. I don't know what coming that way, but no. Pause. But
Wait. So listen, right now we're the one Jamaican version of smash or pass. What we're gonna do? Dash way or knock. Knock or dash way. That's a good name.
Yeah man, knock or dash way.
But we're gonna do it based on Jamaican dancehall female artists. Alright, so the first one, may I ask you and they ask me the third one. Because you know so up there. Alright. Yeah. So Queen Africa.
The most Queen Africa with the dress them. What's actually saying?
She said, Daddy don't be there. I don't know anything one day I'm.
I like to look at them times and daddy sometimes.
Yeah. Alright.
What do you think about Cecile, dog?
Cecile.
Yeah.
Cecile then or Cecile no?
You know that's the hard one. My first say Cecile then.
Cecile dead. They tell me that look a boy. Cecile never look fine.
Cecile, yeah.
Cecile not going to look a thing.
Alright, no.
Cecile thing really.
Yeah.
You get that interesting one.
Hey, boy.
Knock or pass. Knock or dash way. Ladies are.
Go on. Take it. Back it away.
Wait. Ladies are dead or no? Ladies are dead or no?
She look the same here.
Yo, listen. Ladies are anytime she sing I got you and you can't. Yo, listen. Ladies
do
are.
anything about it. Come here,
You said dash way. Shoot fly.
No. May I go back in time, please? Ladies are come here. Come back.
Alright, so
Where that thing, boss? Smash, knock, or dash way? Macker Diamond.
listen. Maka then, Maka no, a dinosaur. I don't care what nobody wants to say.
But like all a woman,
Everybody have their preference.
ladies are kind of old. You know what?
Alright, Ada. Knock or dash way? Spice. Both then I know. You have a choice.
Jesus. You know what? Me.
Alright.
Spice, I'm knocking at your door. Come give me a conjugal visit. What? This guy does, but I don't think that.
Pick one.
Where that's about Tiffa. Where that's about Tifa.
What Tifa? And knock. Tifa, I will Tifa and knock was definitely
Jim Squeegee. Come meet me, Rona deep.
Wrong person.
I know I'm wrong person,
Okay.
but you know, you're thief, you're Jim Squeegee.
Oh, me, yeah. Vanessa Bling.
Introducing Vanessa Bling as knocker pass me a pass her when she say her voice annoying to me. I can't take it, it's too high pitch. Like So boobs,
Yeah.
knocker dash way.
Ooh.
Milk.
Milk in a video? Or milk no?
Milk bounty killer baby mother.
Wait, a bounty killer baby mother?
For 37 years.
Wait. Milk when in a video?
Yes, milk was in the video.
With Johnny?
Mm-hmm.
I get Johnny?
I don't know. I asked you a simple question, knock or pass.
Nah, man, I'm about to think that.
Cross,
hungry, miserable. Yeah, idiot.
Yo, Yo. We.
Look at here. Yo, on them picture, yeah, I've seen them people them a pop up.
Mm-hmm. That's why I'm kinda, you know.
Yeah. What do you think, boy? Dancehall queen Nikisha.
I'm the tail rock of that. a rock and my board wall. I don't remember who name so.
That's like Nikisha, Marvin the Beast girlfriend right now.
No. Yeah, that shit way.
Yeah, that's your way?
Marvin the Beast. How me fi manage that? Eh? You know? You see Marvin come beat me up. I will meet up again.
Marvin beat somebody?
I we need an argument with which artist or which lead? Which
You don't know, you know?
no, you need an argument with somebody. No, nobody in an
what's that
argument
cause?
with me.
I have a good one for you. Since you don't know about that one day. Aishana.
Oh Lord. Oh,
Just sing a
Lord.
song.
You know what? I forget about that one day. That one day, no, I don't know. That one day easy. Me have one for you now.
Ooh.
The fluffy diva herself. The one and only Miss Kitty.
Hell yeah.
Titus. Woo, woo.
But Miss Kitty, no, listen. You see the thing with that? Me good for it. Me good for going out. But Miss Kitty, I gotta look for me and say, small like, wait there. You two look a bit of one, I think you look good. Small like, and then I look when I have to learn. Small like Scott, no big tree. Alright.
Schoolboy money done
On
on Friday.
Friday.
That's why, yeah, Monday, man.
Wow. Listen, I think this gonna be either. Nah, not gonna be the last one. The Angel.
And so,
CCM1.
take
Be
the
the
door,
man.
yeah. Take the door, yeah, girl.
Oh yeah, kick it.
Yeah.
Boot
Boot it. But nah, no disrespect. The Angel she look real good. She look real good. But I don't think me could have managed it.
Wait, you know what? Wait, the beanie and bunty.
Me.
You, Michael Cakes up Jackson.
Me. Not me, Bunty. Not me, Beanie. No. You see, she mad the two man them. I make them want to fight.
Mm-hmm.
Not I.
See, I try to make it 2 hour flight. I try to say.
Mm-hmm.
I get no good. It's a shame. Strange things are happening. Strange.
Well, that's about Beanie Man, baby mother, the dancehall queen. What's your name again? Colleen. But Colleen back then. Not talk about Colleen right now. No, I'm talking about Colleen back then, if you know what I mean. Colleen in the gold suit.
Colleen, this a Colleen, yeah?
The Angel Colleen, you. Yeah, that the Colleen.
You mean being my girl?
Yeah, Beanie Man Colleen.
Yeah. Like the Angel go that way there?
I think about the Angel, man. And so, you know, I think about the Angel.
Well,
Colleen is a beautiful woman.
do I need to say anything more? Alright.
Not one more thing.
Wait. Wait, that's about Gully Bob X. One of Gully Bob X. I marry.
The door is right here. You could take it.
You can't take it all though. What is you can't fit through though, dog?
I don't know. You push your head through it, and then as long as the shoulder fit, the rest you can't go through. That is the rules of thief. I say shoulder fit through the little hole, the rest you can't go through there. So you better make sure your shoulder can't fit through there.
Oh boy, I tell you.
Me nah pick up them distress
What's it
there.
doing?
See, she nearly mad gully back dog.
You see she mad Gully Bob and dash him out.
It's about gully back beat her up.
The marga man thump her up.
Thump her up.
Yeah, so that was the end of that. Me hope you enjoy. Please remember to like, subscribe, rate, share, and tell me how it is. Make sure you leave a comment in the all our social media are gonna be down in the description below. My Snapchat, my Instagram,